Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be unboxing the Arlec Smart Pet feeder. Thank you for sending this over, Arlec. I do really appreciate it. Okay, now let's get into it. So here we have the pet feeder. It has locks, so it keeps the pet food enclosed so the food won't fall out. So that's a good plus. Here we have a nice USB block and a nice cable. So it is a USB to micro USB cable, and it is very long, so it's good if you don't have a power point nearby to plug it in. And here's some ASMR. And here we have the bowl for the pet feeder, and it clips onto the bottom of the pet feeder, and it's really sturdy as well. So you clip it in at the bottom, and then that's in, so it won't come out. And then it's very sturdy, like very sturdy. And then also it takes 3D batteries. When the power goes out, your pet will still be fed. It takes 5 liters of pet food, so here we're going to fill it up. Stay tuned for part 2, and we're going to see it in action. Make sure to like and follow, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.